Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Have this question ever came across any of your minds? That why bad things happen to good people always? Everyone thinks that I have never done anything bad to anyone, never wronged anybody. Then why this bad thing happened to me? I always keep righteousness and faith. I always walk on the path of honesty. Then why the bad things happen to me? Thoughts of this sort come to most of the people's mind. The answers of such questions are indeed there. Lord Sri Krishna has himself given these answers. The explanations that Sri Krishna gave, through that many people got answers to their questions. Once Arjun asked Lord Sri Krishna that, "Hey Vasudev, the people who are honest and good, who do good things for others, who walk on the path of principles, why do bad things happen to them always?" In reply, Lord Sri Krishna told a story to Arjun. This is such a story in which everybody's questions' answers are described. Now let's hear the story told by Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna told Arjun that once two men used to stay in a town. The first person was a businessman. He was a very good person. He always used to keep faith and righteousness. He used to walk on the road of principles. He was devoted to God and he used to regularly visit the temple. He always used to keep himself away from wrongdoings. But the second person in that town was completely different from the first person. The second person was a wicked person and always used to carry a bad attitude. He always used to do the wrong things. He always used to do unrighteous and corrupted work. Walking on the path of principles was not in his nature. Every day he used to steal money from the temple and used to steal the shoes of the people who used to visit the temple. He always used to lie and used to stay intoxicated. One day there was a tremendous rain happening in that town, and because of that there was no one in the temple. At that point of time, when the low-minded person noticed that there was no one in the temple, he took that opportunity and stole all the money from the temple. And he managed to somehow escape from the eyes of the priest. After some time, when the businessman visited the temple, the entire blame of the theft came on him. Everyone thought that this person has stolen all the money from the temple. With this thought in mind, the people who were present at that time in the temple told bad words to the businessman. Everybody disrespected him a lot. The person was really feeling insulted listening to the disrespectful words of the people around. He was somehow trying to get out of that situation and from the cursing words of those people. The moment he stepped out of the temple, a car came and crashed into him. The businessman got badly hurt in this accident. During this time, a bag full of money fell in the hands of that wicked person. After seeing all those money and wealth, that person got lost in happiness and said, "Today it is only happiness. First I got so much money from the temple and now this bag full of money fell into my hands." Listening to these words of the wicked person from beside, the businessman got shocked. After returning home, the first thing the businessman did was, he took all the pictures of God out of his home. From that day onwards, he got very angry and frustrated on God and started passing his life that way. After many years, when both the person died and went in front of the death angel, then that businessman questioned him angrily that, I always used to do good work, never wronged anybody, and was never involved in any wrongdoings. But in return of this, I only got insult and pain from people. I did not get anything other than this. And this wicked person, who always used to walk on the path of unrighteousness, who used to harm people, in return of that, he got a bag full of money. Why did this happen? In reply, the death angel said, the day you met with that accident, that day was the last day of your life. But your death turned into a small wound because of the good karmas of your good work. And at that time, according to the fate of this wicked person, he had the chance of getting Rajyog. But due to his wrongdoings, that Rajyog turned into a small bag full of money. Sri Krishna also said that it is a very tough job to understand what God is offering us and in which form we will get that offering. If you have always done good work, if you have never caused any loss to anybody and has been good towards every person, if you have always kept yourself away from bad work, then God will surely bless you. Do not ever think that God is not with us depending on the pain and worries we face in life. Do not think that He is not helping us. It can be like this that it is written in your destiny to suffer much more than this. But because of your good karmas, you are not suffering from those excessive griefs. Your good karmas is saving you from those sufferings. This was a pleasant story told by Lord Sri Krishna. In this story, the answers of most of the questions of mankind is present. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.